Okay, for our study is about the mapping or the discourse, scientometric analysis of affordable housing research trend. So we have about 4 authors, myself and my friends, Dr. Nur Aidil Hanim from the same University Utara Malaysia, and we have the third collaborator, Dr. Zahani from USIM, Malaysia, and we also have Dr. Ziwali from Samsung University, Turkey. Okay, so this our content of article or presentation. First, introduction, methodology, analysis and result, and conclusion. Okay, as an introduction, as we explore into the complexity of affordable housing, is critical that we recognize its multiple nature. Alright, housing affordability, as we define by various scholars, encompasses by several dimensions beyond just the monetary aspect. Okay, firstly, housing affordability is not simply about the association between housing costs and income, as highlighted by our scholar Abdul Aziz Hanif and others in 2010. And then but some scholars argue that housing affordability is about the constantly linked to monetary principle. However, our other scholar like Stone point out defining affordability only through a monetary lens is limiting. Because Stone argued that housing affordability goes beyond mere dollar and cents. Okay, it encompasses non-monetary factor such as accessibility, quality, and security. And myself, I also agree that housing affordability is about creating sustainable living environment. All right, as I highlight this in 2023 in my study, while that's a critical component, true affordability consider the holistic well-being of individual and community. It's about ensuring that housing is not only financially within reach, but also enhance people live in terms of health, safety, and environmental sustainability. Okay, here is about the flow diagram of search strategy. Okay, in bibliometric, we have a 4 step. So the comprehensive step will be explained at the next slide. Okay, here I show you how we conduct all process of the bibliometric analysis. Okay, basically in my article I'm using the Scopus database. Alright, so and in bibliometric we have 4 main steps. Okay, first we need to decide or we choose our focus topic. So in my article we begin by selecting our focus topic, which is affordable housing. Alright, after we decide our focus topic, we can start searching, which is we need to insert keyword and search string. So we insert keyword and crafted the search string to ensure comprehensive coverage, and our keyword included terms like affordable home, affordable house, housing affordability, and home affordability, which is this step was crucial for capturing relevant literature. Okay, here we insert our keyword and then we start searching, and here we can see we found about 2,172 documents. Alright, based on our keyword. And then the third step is to choose scope and coverage. To maintain the quality of our study, we carefully define our scope and coverage criteria. So we excluded like books and lecture notes, to focus only on the paper published in a peer-reviewed academic journal. And additionally, we made selection based on year. Okay, year here. Okay, I show you. For example, we choose only 2000 until 2024. Okay, we choose only social science as a subject area, and document type we choose article or journal, and language we only focus on English language, and then scope, source type, journal, and publication stage, final journal. Okay, and open access, in our study we only select all open access. And after all the informations filter, okay, we click limit to, and then we can find that the number of document found is about 320x document found. So all the information here, okay, we need to the fourth step here. In this step, we recorded the date of extraction, identify record, conducted screening, and we maintain the transparency of by documenting record included and removed, and ensuring the integrity of our analysis. So all the information we need to insert in our flow diagram here. Okay, like just now, our focus topic is affordable housing, and then we insert the keyword search string, and you can get from here and copy here, and then scope and coverage, like we did filter some information, and then the date extracted. Okay, because our study we conduct 18 April. Okay, then our record identify on screen about 2153, and then after we do some filter, okay, our record included for bibliometric analysis is 1,639,000, and record removed is 514. So this the method, yeah, or the flow to conduct the bibliometry. Okay, thank you. Okay, this our analysis and result. Basically, we produce 4 objective. Yeah, first is to see the relationship between co-authorship analysis by country, co-occurrence and keyword, and co-occurrence and author keywords, and fourth is citation and document. And all of this analysis will be analyzed using our data, Scopus data, and we run through the VOS view software. Okay, thank you. Alright, this one is our first analysis, or our first result after we run from VOS view software. Figure 1 shows the network visualization of the co-authorship by countries with a setting of 5 minimum number of a document of a country and 0 minimum number of citation of a country. Okay, so clearly we can see here there are 9 clusters within this network that show 9 different groups that actively collaborate among them. Alright, and country, for your information, country with the similar or the same color meaning that share the same cluster, while the size of the notes represent the number of document per country, and the thickness of the line show the strength of collaboration. So here we can see clearly that United States, Australia, United Kingdom, China, Netherlands and Malaysia have significant notes. Yeah, they have a significant numbers of the related studies. Okay, for the second analysis is about the co-occurrence and keyword. Means that the co-occurrence network analysis depict how often keyword appear together throughout the paper. Okay, so the largest circle here means the more frequent the word is used, and the thickest line connecting two circle meaning the often the two words appear together. Alright, here we can see some co-occurrence relationship we can see from this image. For the most significant is about the housing affordability, which is the housing affordability co-occur with the housing price, housing cost, and rent price, income, while this makes sense, yeah, because as these are all central concept in the debate over housing affordability. And second note we can see here is about the housing market. Okay, that's related with the some like housing price. Okay, and then we also have the neighborhoods. Okay, neighborhoods co-occur with the gentrification, displacement, and vulnerability. Alright, this suggests that the paper examine the impact of rising housing costs on neighborhoods. Alright, and then overall, the co-occurrence network analysis provide a helpful overview of the key term explored in the research paper. It shows how the issue of housing affordability is connected to a wide range of other social and economic issue. Okay, this one is our final analysis as citations document. Okay, or citation analysis. Basically, the citation analysis is a valuable tool for researcher who want to understand the intellectual landscape of a particular study. Okay, for this study, for the housing affordability studies. Okay, by analyzing citation network, a researcher can identify important work emerging area of research and the relationship between different scholar and ideas. Alright, and here, okay, the biggest the largest circle in the network represent the documents that are cited the most by others document in the network. Okay, cluster of documents connected by line represent area of research that closely related. Here we can see that the author name Weddell in 2002, the most significant or the most received high citation in this field or this study. Alright. Okay, the citation analysis also can be reviewed by the table form. Okay, this information actually is similar like previous slide, but in the table form we can get more information or detailed information. For example, whether, as we mentioned before, receive high citation. Okay, but in the table we can see the number of citation is 873 number of citation. So the table form is can provide more detailed information regarding the study. Okay, as a conclusion, actually this study use a bibliometric or scientometric technique on the Scopus database to analyze affordable housing research, considering cost, quality, safety, and accessibility, and its quantitative access, authorship pattern, citation network, publishing trend, and keyword relationship. The finding identify the key contributor in influential work growth pattern and thematic cluster, highlighting the vital role of social and environmental science in housing equity and community well-being, and emphasizing the multidisciplinary nature of affordable housing research and the study incorporates technological, health, and policy consideration by mapping the current research landscape and forecasting future trend. Is aimed to inform future research, policy development, and societal progress in affordable housing. Okay, thank you.